everyone, I'm super happy you clicked this video. I can't wait to tell you this exciting news. I have been wanting to do this since May. I mentioned this on Instagram about doing live stream. I have an account on Twitch. I'll put the link in the description box. And please follow me and join my first live stream. I'm very excited to chat with you. So my first live stream will be at around 5 p.m. today, Atlanta time. Very excited to see you guys on Twitch and chat with you guys and also respond to your questions. I don't know how many of you will join my first live stream. I hope to see you there, and I will talk more about live stream, about what stuff I'll be live stream. I really like a live stream idea, more real. Please let me know if you want me to do this for 30 minutes or for 1 hour. I will consider your request. I could do like eat with me, sing with me, and watch drama with me, dance, practice dance together, just do everything that's fun together. I didn't respond to your questions. I can respond to most of your questions on Twitch. It'll be my first time doing it, so I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know how well it'll turn out. Let me try for the first time. So you will need to sign up a Twitch account, and then you can chat with me, and please follow me. I'm really excited. So I will see you guys at 5 p.m. Atlanta time.